Yeah, today is Thursday, 19th of October, up here at my little building. Did some more rearranging again. I put my pallet of concrete mix and my material to make my entrance and approach the underlayment over here in the corner where I had a military toolbox. Move my sprayer over here too, move the welder away from the wall, and put the military toolbox over here on this wall, and move my John Deere 850 and box blade into the shipping container and clean and swept. They were up here installing my gutters today. Did a nice job. I got the downspouts away from the building out to the sidewalk. This should help with the erosion issues I've been fighting. Gutters is gutters is gutters. Seamless. They did a real nice job. Over here is the other one, same thing. Got the downspout to the sidewalk. Nice job. We're back into a fall drought now, so now I gotta figure out when it's going to rain again so I can kind of check everything. I can take some of my, actually they got an anchor to the wall. Yeah, nice job. Real nice crew. Had 3 of them and the owner. And all of this. See how it works out when it rains. That's when you're retired. Stupid little stuff. Gives you something to look forward to. Oh, we'll see. Just under 1,500. I thought the building was 40 foot long. It's actually 50 foot long. It's still 1,200 square foot. It's 24 foot wide by 50 foot long. So that was my fault. He went off on I said, well, I ain't gonna short you. You know, just adjust that bill. And he bumped it up $100. Real fair man. I don't like people that feel as though they've been taken advantage of, so I make sure they don't feel that way. But yeah, just waiting on the rain now. Go out here and look at the garden. Looks like it's doing okay. Got one cabbage looking kind of wilty, but the rest of them are looking good. And I'm still waiting for my radishes to pop out of the ground. Should be just any day now. I keep checking. But probably give everything a drink before I leave today. And yeah, as long as we don't get an early frost, I think I'll get something to eat. So anyway, here's a gutter again. They did a nice job. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.